Just missed one. Missed it again. How does he miss it 3 times now? There we go. Got him that time. All right, buddy. Slid right out. Thanks, buddy. Go back. Gotta hit before it starts raining. He must have missed the freaking chatterbait 3 times right there. Casting like right there in front of me. Right in that little pocket area right there. All right. See, there's more fish over there. Yep. Second cast. Oh my God, the drag. My drag is so bad. This one's a little bit better. 2 in a row. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. They're sitting right there at that corner right there, waiting for food to come by. My drag is super loose. I have the white chatterbait here. So I can get one more from that pocket. Let's see, 3 in a row. Come on. Maybe that's all that was there. There's gotta be another one over there. There's another one. God, this drag is so bad on this. Get up here, boy. Get up here, boy. 3 fish within, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. Take a picture real quick. Thanks, buddy. Try to get a couple more before the rain comes. Look at this above me. Does not look good. So a little bit of an update here. I decided to come out just before it started raining. I didn't record an intro. Didn't really expect to catch anything today. I just wanted to test out this rod that I still haven't caught a fish on until just now, obviously. It came down by this waterfall right here, and just killing them right here behind me. Nothing too big yet, but I'm gonna try to catch a couple more before the storm comes all the way in. I think it's supposed to be pretty bad, so try to get at least one more today. Let's go. I don't know how tight I need to set this drag to be able to pull some fish out of here. Whoa, no, no. Whew. Almost lost the chatterbait there. Dude, as soon as it hit the water, that one took it. I was not expecting that. Come here, number 4. Look at this one freaking inhaled the chatterbait. Get that out of you real quick, buddy. Give me 1 second. There we go. That's 4. I wish I would have recorded like an intro for this. Cast to the sidewall and wait for the hit. Like I said, rain's coming. So let's get one more. It's gonna be it right there. Come on. That was terrible. Let's try up a little bit. Man, that last fish, as soon as it hit the water, he freaking smoked it. I thought it was a snag at first. Another one. I just came over here not expecting really to catch fish, just wanted to catch at least one, guys. I'm at like 5 already. They must be freaking out because of this storm right now. Thanks, dude. It's not raining yet, so that's, uh-oh, I think it's starting to rain now. See if we get one more. No fish on that one. Maybe they're learning not to go for the white chatterbait. Because I got sticks, leaves all in my hand. It's a good way to break in this rod, I guess. My first catches with it, that's for sure. Got another one. Let's get him up here. What's up, buddy? Hell yeah. Another smoker. Smoked it. I hope this isn't like the same fish, just keeps on coming back for the chatterbait. Hell yeah. Oh, that way. There he goes. This is sick. This is sick. All right, guys, so the last minute fishing adventure didn't go that bad at all. I lost 2 baits. I lost a chatterbait and a whopper plopper, which sucks. But I also caught like 5 or 6 fish within maybe 30 minutes. So not that bad of a day, especially when I thought it was gonna be pouring by now. And I got to use the new rod and catch some fish on that. So that's gonna be it for today. I will check you guys in the next video. Later.